Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Here's your girl Naisha, and today's video is all about no foundation look. In today's video, I'll be not using any foundation, any concealer or any BB cream. I'll show you a close-up look so that you can see how it looks. So I just cleaned up my face. Next, I'm going to use facial tonic mist from Forest Essentials. It's very important to apply toner after washing your face as there are so many benefits of it. So I'm spraying it on my face and then patting it with my fingers to absorb everything into my skin. Feels so refreshing, guys. Next, I am using this moisturizer from Embryoless and I really love this product. Just taking a little amount and will massage it nicely. I have a dry skin type. You can totally skip this step if you have oily skin. And guys, all the products that I am using are mentioned in the description box below. My skin feels very hydrating now. In the next step, I'm using sunscreen from Body Shop in the SPF 50 plus, and it's very important to apply sunscreen even if you are not stepping out of your house. Next, to do my eyes, I'm taking this palette from Huda Beauty and taking a peachy pink color to create the transitional shade on my eyes. It's very important to tap the brush after taking the product so that excess product doesn't comes into your brush and it doesn't create any kind of harsh lines. Guys, it's not important to use same products that I am using. You can use any products that you have at your home and that are available to you. So I'm just blending it into my crease line to create the transitional shade. Taking the same shade from the palette, it's called Demure, and again applying it on the crease of my eyes and blending it well. Also blending it with the fluffy blush to make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything looks very smooth. Next, I am taking the lightest brown shade from my palette, which is called Sandalwood, and applying it all over my eyes really well. It's okay if it doesn't look neat at this point of time, but we will build up everything. With the help of the blending brush, I'm blending all the products that I applied on my eyes, the crease color and the base color nicely. Now I'm taking the dark brown color from the palette called Cocoa and will apply it on the outer corner of my eyelids and creating a V-shape kind of shape and blending everything all together. Taking some more light brown color and applying it on my eyelids and blending everything in. Next, I'm taking the peachy pink shade again on my brush, but before taking that, make sure that your brush is nicely clean and there is no remains of the brown color, and take that on your brush and apply it again on the crease line. Basically what we are doing is enhancing the eye shape, and by filling a dark brown shade on the edges and light brown all over and pink on crease will enhance the eye look and the shape of the eye. It already looks so smooth. Now I'll do the same process on the other eye, and I'll take that pink shade and will apply it on the crease, light brown shade on all over my eyelids and a little dark brown on the outer corner of my eyes and blend everything all together. Next I'm taking this black eyeshadow from same palette called Black Truffle and applying it just like the eyeliner. I'm smudging all the black eyeshadow in my eyelids and taking a bit more of the eyeshadow and applying it all again. Now I'm taking the blending brush and blending the black eyeshadow all together. You can see how much I am smudging the eyeshadow so that it looks very neat and very clean. Now I'm blending the black smudged eyeliner and eyeshadow all together to create an intense eye look. Keep smudging and blending the black color until and unless you are fully satisfied with the eye look. Basically what we are doing is giving an ombre effect by starting with the lightest color on top and it gets darker when we go downwards. You can also create a wing. We have to do the same process on the other eye for applying kajal and using Nykaa's gel eyeliner, and I always prefer applying gel eyeliner instead of applying kajal pencils because it gives a jet black finish and it stays for all day long and it's also waterproof. You can use any gel liner that you have. Now we'll apply the second coat of our gel eyeliner on the waterline of our eyes, and we'll also apply it on the upper waterline. The eye makeup is almost done and it looks so amazing. So finally it's time to reveal my secret product that I was talking about. So guys, it's a protective lotion. It's from Ozone. It's called Ozone Glow Radiance. You must be thinking that a makeup look using a lotion and the pump is not working because I've used the product so much. I'll show you a closer look at how the product actually looks, and it protects the skin from UV rays. This is all you need in this summers. The formula is very lightweight and suits all skin types. I'll apply it all over my skin in the form of small dots, so that all the areas of my face are covered properly. Do not forget your neck, guys. It's a lotion but it's amazing. It works as a protective layer on your skin, and one side of my face I'm using brush to show you guys that you can blend this with a brush also and with fingers also. So right now I'm blending it with a brush. You just have to tap and blend. I just love doing skincare, and this product is a part of my skincare day routine. And I am a type of person who does not like applying foundation at all. So this product is definitely for you if you also do not like applying foundation and want to keep your look very natural. If you are applying foundation on regular basis, then I would suggest to stop doing it because it clogs your pores and it harms your skin and it does not let your skin breathe properly. So you should stop applying foundation. Instead of that, you can try this product out. I'm adding some more product to my skin to build up the coverage, and I also apply this product while gymming, and my husband also loves this product. So all the men watching this video, you can also try it out. and I would also suggest this product to school girls, college girls, and women who are working. You can apply this product. It will also protect your skin. Now I'm blending it very well into my skin using my fingers. It does not take any time to blend also. I want to show you, that's why I'm doing it slowly. Otherwise on daily basis it just takes 2 minutes. And it's all blended properly. You can also apply this protective lotion on your hands and legs also if you want to protect it from sun. And now it's all done. I'm adding some more product to build up the coverage. I'm applying it on the areas where I see pigmentation. Now again I'm taking the Huda palette and taking the black color from the palette and will smudge it under my eyes to give that perfectly defined kajal look. After smudging the black color properly, then you can add a little bit of brown also to give that perfect shading look. And it's done. Now to complete the eye makeup, it's time to apply mascara. Today I'm going to use this mascara from Sephora, and make sure before applying mascara you should always clean the wand to remove the excess product from the wand, because it can really spoil your eye makeup. And make sure to remove the excess product from the top of the mascara by patting it on a tissue or on something. Then apply mascara in the upward direction. Oh shit, I messed it up again. But that's okay. If you make mistakes while doing makeup, you can fix them up always. So I just cleaned it up and will apply a little bit of protective lotion on the area where it was messed up, and it's all good again. So now again move it in the upward direction. We'll apply 2 coats of mascara and we'll also apply it on the lower lashes. So finally our eye makeup is done, and this is how it looks, and it does not take this much of time. I'm showing you how to do it, that's why I'm taking time, otherwise it takes only 5 minutes. Now I'm taking this powder from baking powder from Huda Beauty in the shade Cupcake and just applying a very little amount under my eye. You can apply any powder or compact that you have. I'm applying it so that my under eye area remains crease free. And it's done. Now I'm applying lip liner from Huda Beauty and will outline my lips and will fill it up using the Huda Beauty pencil. It's in the shade Trendsetter. Lipstick which I'm going to use is from Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Pool Party, and this shade looks good on all skin tones. To do my brows, I'm using this brow liner from Body Shop in the shade dark brown, and I'm filling all my gaps to give my brows a defined look. I'm using my fingertips to smudge everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm using one of my most favorite products. It's Benetton from Benefit, and I'll apply it on the apple of my cheeks and on my nose, and will blend it using my fingers. We'll apply it a little more to get that perfectly pink cheeks, and it looks so fresh. My makeup look will be incomplete without a bindi. Now I'm going to take highlighter from my most used palette from Makeup Revolution, and will apply it in the center of my nose, above my cheekbones, and will blend it very nicely so that there's a seamless shine. Oh my god, look at that glow. Now I'll take some highlighter on my fingertips and will apply on the inner corner of my eyes. Tada! I'm ready! Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about my no foundation makeup look, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.